Beauties, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to get on and clarify one of the products that's going to be in the February Boxycharm box. And before I do that, I would like to show you a little clip that was on the Boxycharm Instagram site this morning.
What's up? I'm here with Gato.
Hey, Charmers.
And she's going to help me out today demo the beautiful Pretty Vulgar. This is Shimmering Swan Highlight that some of you Charmers might be receiving in this month's box.
Look at it. Alright, I absolutely love this because it has like hints of gold and pink right up my alley. So I'm going to take this Farrah 35E brush and just hit the tops of my cheeks with it. Can you see that?
Yes.
Wow.
We are super flaky today with this highlight.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Mm. Crap, I'm going to take now my ring finger and just straight down the bridge of my nose, skipping this little gap and going straight to the tip.
Yes. Alright, Charmers, so Gato is ready and glowy. She's ready to conquer this Monday.
Isn't that cute? That was a cute little clip they put up. In our February Afterglow themed box, we are getting a Pretty Vulgar highlighter or bronzer. So I wanted to get back on here and let you know which highlighter or bronzer that you could possibly receive. First of all, in the Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan highlighters, you can get 3 different choices. The first highlighter is called Sparkling Sass, and it is gold with a peach undertone. The second is Glimmers of BS, is pink champagne. The third is Glow Up, and it's rose gold. All 3 of those really sound pretty. Now, I wanted just to say a lot of people didn't want the purple one. That one's not included in the ones they're saying they're going to give us, so hopefully no one gets that one. Now, in the bronzers, it's a possibility of 2 different ones. The first one is called Bronze Mannequin, and it's a medium deep matte. The second bronzer is Bronze Sunkissed Snitch, and it's a deep matte. So I hope everyone is happy with these choices. So just to recap our February 2019 Boxycharm box, we have first our Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. Then the number 2 Touch and Soul No Problems Primer. Then number 3 is our Pretty Vulgar, either the highlight or the bronzer. Number 4 is from Pharmacy Beauty, the Clean Bee Cleanser, or you could possibly receive the Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana Moisturizing Cream. And then 5th is the Trustique Lip Glaze, or the Nude Stick Metallic Luminous Lip Pencil. So that's a rundown of what we're getting in February. Now today, Joe put up a little smaller sneak peek, but it's something that I think we've already known. I don't know if there's more meaning to it, but as you can see in this video, it's a Morphe palette, because in the picture you can see the black box with the M and the O. Does this mean maybe that the regular Boxycharm people may receive it in their box also? Is this palette too big to fit in the smaller box? Does anyone have one of these palettes so they can check and see if it fits in their normal Boxycharm box? If you do, please let me know. I would really appreciate it. You can either email me. That would be the best way to get me, is to email me. I was just curious if this palette could fit in the normal Boxycharm box. But I just wanted to show you this little clip he put up. So here it is. It's very hard to see in the video, but I cropped it and enlarged it here. You can see to the right side of the palette there's an M and an O. like that's the box. So, and the layout is exactly like the Morphe palettes. So I'm pretty sure this is a Morphe palette. I have no idea why we just got this now, or maybe I just saw it on my phone today. I don't know. But I just wanted to show you guys this came out, and see what you think. If it's possibly maybe an indication that it may be in the March regular Boxycharm also. But I'm not sure if it's too large, if it will fit in that box, is the only thing. So that's pretty much all I have at this moment today. If you're interested in becoming a charmer and joining Boxycharm, all you have to do is click on the link below. Boxycharm is a $21 a month subscription. You receive 4 to 5 full-size beauty items. These can be anywhere from makeup, skincare, beauty tools, or color cosmetics. And each box is valued over $100. In order to subscribe to BoxyLux, you first have to be an established Boxycharm subscriber. So you have to join this one first. And I want to thank everyone for watching. Please remember to comment to be in the February giveaway. I'm still working on prizes, and I'm not quite ready to put up who won last month yet, but it will be up this week sometime. And thank you all for watching, and please remember to share and subscribe. And if you want to get in the contest, especially remember to like my videos. And has anybody had trouble with the likes on my videos? 2 subscribers have told me they'll put a like on my video, and if they come back, their like is taken off. It's not there anymore. And I'm wondering if all YouTubers are having this trouble, or if it's just my channel. If you're having that trouble, could you please put it in the comments? I'm interested to know how many people are having trouble getting the like to say. You probably don't notice if you don't go back to the video at any time. Thank y'all so much for watching, and until I see you again, bye.